Yo, this is the weakest video I have to make. So I'm out with the squad at Bombshells. My boy Kid and TKs Garage. Let me flip the camera. So as you see, we lined up. My boy right here. Look at this. They smashed his window. That's probably dark. They smashed my boy window, took his piece, and then you go over here. Look, you as you can see, you got two cars. You got T and Geo. TK smashed his window over here.
Yo, they stole my drone and the laptop.
Smashed the little window. Like if you smash this window, it's fucking dark. I need to turn the light on. They smashed this window.
Okay.
And his other window. Like okay. Why?
All right. So hey Bree. Oh, here's what I'm gonna tell you. God
dang.
Since you brought this upon yourself, yo. I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, hey, my boy shit, man. My boy shit is smashed.
Hold on, man.
My boy shit is.
This is right here.
My bro shit smashed, man.
And I got like fucking scratches all on my shit right here.
Did they pop the lock try?
I don't know. They
was some pussies.
Yeah,
they just straight smashed it, dog.
Nah, they came over and that shit wasn't up.
All right, as you see, HBD here, and he's trying to sort out all the information on what he could do. We're at Twin Peaks. They're saying that we gotta wait till Tuesday, since Monday is a holiday, for them to have their corporate run the video of the CCTV, because they said they have 3 cameras that is actually facing back here. So they said they'll have good shots of vehicles that's taken off. They can't see actually what's going on inside, but they can see any people or vehicles that will leave the area. So hopefully that's what they say is true, and that happens. And just, man, people work hard for this stuff, and people just want to take. Like, just get up, grind, do what you got to do, get your own. And T just crossed me over. It's just so disrespectful, but that's just what she do, because she light skinned.
Unfortunately, they only hit the car that had firearm.
Yeah, he had firearm.
Real interesting. Who knows?
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Because the thing is,
maybe they know who it is.
My shit
They broke this one out, scratched this bar. Now they got cameras here, and they got cameras here.
Oh.
The manager here says as long as y'all come in here before it closes.
I think somebody came up, bro.
I told the manager, the manager he knows me. We've got the blue. Every time I come to town, he knows me.
You know what I'm saying? That mean they came up on it like, oh, this so-and-so car. You know what I'm saying? Like, good,
Me with my Superman, I spotted that they left blood. So, just trying to get it. Yeah, they left blood. They must have punched it, and dummies left blood. So, yeah. Yep.
Her ass is going to Guantanamo ASAP.
Fuck.
And
so they
whoever's blood is on this car, I'm going to board it first. Tell me that right now. You want to board it?
Got some of the traction people here.
Hey, Randy.
Yeah, one hurt, we are.
Don't tell me, bro.
You know?
Hey, Randy, share this shit. Don't tell me they don't know what time it is. They have zero idea what's coming. And SRT Bree. If this blood doesn't come back to you,
you want the sharp face?
Because of the conversation that we had today, when all of this is over, and that officer gives me a report, and the bureau comes here and clears me for that national security laptop, I'm coming to Atlanta. You said street shit and internet shit don't mix. I'm about to show you what real street shit is. Call the cops. I guarantee you they don't fuck with me. I'm untouchable. It's over with for you. It's fucking over with for you, Bree. Tell me that. See them suction cups over there?
Yeah.
That came out of the bag, and there's other shit, one of my clips and the firearms over there. So they took the open bag and went that way. She probably went over that fence, they'll fingerprint that shit, and get what they can, or they'll look for blood, which I'm sure they'll probably see over here in that parking lot. Unfortunately, SRT Bree, because of your dumb shit, this is the consequences that you have for your dumb shit. Right? You said internet shit and street shit don't mix. Well, sweetheart.
My name is David.
Internet and what don't
so,
mix?
Hey, sweetheart, you're right. Internet shit and internet shit and street shit don't mix. Welcome to Uncle fucking Sam.
I'm gonna come show y'all my car.
Damn, bro.
Shocking.
Yeah, fuck.
Like I
Bro,
said,
let
we
me
come
tell
to this spot all the time, man.
Bro, let me
All
tell
the
you
time.
Just right now, somebody broke into my shit. I'm gonna break into their shit. Like,
What would they have a hoopty?
I don't give a fuck. No, I'm talking about their house.
Oh shit.
Fucking kicking. No, I'm just playing. No, but seriously, like that shit, bro. I would be mad. I would be way more mad. Like, that's such a. Like, you drove here too. What are you gonna do? Drive it back? Like, oh my god, bro.
That shit weird. I don't even.
What an inconvenience, bro.
For a drone, a gun, and a laptop.
So what? They took a drone from you.
They took a drone. They took a drone and his gun, and then they took his gun and some AirPods.
They took AirPods.
Took AirPods.
That's some.
So
Fucking,
that makes you think it's kids.
That's some grimy shit.
AirPods?
AirPods?
Like,
That mean he should be able to track him.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hey,
Shit.
find my.
But they
AirPods.
gotta open them hoes. Because you gotta
Yeah,
open them. No, it's gonna ping the last location, which would be here. If they never open it, it won't activate.
Yeah, but.
Well, as soon as they open it, then he can track it.
You gonna use another man's AirPods?
What about his laptop? Is it Mac?
Now his is government.
Oh.
Yeah,
fuck.
his is government.
That's harder than
Yeah,
find my Mac.
yeah, that's government.
Oh shit. Government.
Yeah, that's government.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Identify them right now.
No, you gotta still take it back to the station.
Hoorah, bro. I see you. Yes, sir. Like when I tell you, because the blood over there has one in it too. Oh, if he gets one print, it's over with. It's over with for him. One print that don't match me on the score, it's over with.
Oh yeah. Look at him work his magic. Oh yeah, look at him work his magic.
Exactly. I'm just saying.
That's one way we don't open our doors like that.
Problem is, all these fingerprints are severely smeared.
Gotcha. Can't get a good one.
That one. Which one? This one? Oh, dang.
Oh,
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. We can work that magic with the twist. This kit right here. Who said HPD don't work at 2 in the morning? They lied. They work all day, every day. Anything over? Oh, you can't see because he don't got the stuff on there.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Right. Like it's a one up here too, but I don't think it might be them. It might be one of us. It's crazy. Crazy.
fingerprint off the car. You got a print? Yes. So I'm not sure how valuable it's going to be. But with all these prints, they're all smeared. Oh, on the window.
So they put their finger
On
and
the
they
window
smeared
while they
it.
would. Yep.
So it's,
If they.
I just can't get much. So I can show you what I got.
All right, cool.
This is the best one.
Okay.
Right here, this one right here.
Do you mind if I scan that and send that?
Sure.
He's like, all right, hold on, let me send this over. Oh, yes, it is over for you bums. Focus. Focus. Hey, Mom, can you get close with the light? Real close. All right, that'll work right there. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Man, that's crazy. Got him. Yeah, I don't. It's hot out here. I done came out my shirt. This is like my car was literally one more spot over. My car could have got hit, but I'm blessed that it didn't. Maybe somebody was coming and scared them off or something. I don't know, but there's 2 cars got hit, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us out here. It's crazy. Crazy. But anyways, go ahead and sign out. Crazy night. Appreciate everybody tapping in. And like I always say,